Where's Eli? Eden? You know where Eli's at?
Yeah.
Eli? Did he go back to Washington, D.C.? You do an elephant noise? Ready? Yep. Yeah, poked it. Boop. Here you go. You got it. Hey, where's Eli? You were just asking about him.
Yeah.
Where did he go?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Eli. Where are you? Eli. Yeah, look around. He's not over there.
Mama.
Where's Mama? Is Mama in school?
Mama.
I'm Dada. Eli.
Mama. Mama.
Hey, Dada.
Mama.
They say Dada.
No.
Dada.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Eli? Or Dada?
Mama. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not Eli.
Mama.
Eden. Ooh,
Mama.
pancakes. Mmm.
Yeah.
Eli. Say, come visit Eli. You don't even know what you're talking about.
Dada.
Yay, Dada.
Dada.
Yay, Dada.
Dada.
Yay, Dada. Eli?
Yeah.
Say, yay, Eli. Say, yay, Eli. Say 1, 2, 3, Eli.
No.
1, 2, 3, go! You're so cute. Say bye, Eli. Say bye, Eli.